How's it going, everybody? I've got this 3-tier round side table here for an unboxing and review. There's all the parts, everything that came in the box. Got 3 shelves there that are round. And then we've got 4 piece number 4s. And then we've got 4 piece number 5s. Some of these as well. Comes with an Allen wrench and the fasteners. All right, there's a look at those 4 small fasteners with the Allen wrench. There's about 20 or 21 of these pieces too. I think this is piece A. Step 1 in this is to connect all the piece 4s with all the piece 5s, and there's 4 of each. There's what it looks like. So piece 4 right there just slides into the bottom of the piece 5. We're going to do that with all of them. Okay, now we're going to take one of these little guys here. This is B. I'm going to go ahead and put it right in that hole there. All 4 of them. There we go, got the screw in all 4 of them. Now we're going to go ahead and take this, flip it on its top here. Okay, well now we take our legs, and this piece 4 here is going to go right down on each of these 2 holes. And then we put 2 fasteners in there with our Allen wrench. So we're going to do that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, got all 4 of the legs on there. Tighten them all down with the Allen wrench. What I'm going to do for the next step is flip this whole thing over, because this middle piece is actually going to sit on top of these, and this is the top here. Then to get this in here, the little trick is just come up this way with it, and turn it that way and set it down. Then you can put the screws in from underneath. Okay, now I'll take it and just flip it back over. That way I can get these screws in all the way with the Allen wrench here. Here I'm just doing the same thing with the very bottom piece. Okay, got that bottom one on. These just screw right in the bottom of there. All right, there's the finished product. This thing went together pretty quick, less than a half an hour. And actually put a second one together here as well, so we have a matching pair. Overall, we were really happy with these side tables here. Great product. Thanks for watching, everybody.